myself and my group members. My name is Tarishnavini Anak Nurpa Mutusnami and my matrix number is 182501 and my group members' names are firstly Siti Nur Faiza Yusof and her matrix number 182619, Zarina binti Arifin and her matrix number 183498, and finally we have Nurul Sazwani binti Muhammad Suhaimi and her matrix number 183690. Now, let me tell you all the species that we have selected. We have selected the palm oil species. Basically, the scientific name of palm oil is Elaeasis guineensis. Now, let us look at the originality of palm oil. The palm oil were originated from the central and west of Africa. Basically, there are three natural occurring forms of palm oil fruit, which are Tenera, Dura, and Piscifera. However, most culture will be in Tenera form. It is because it will produce a fruit with a higher oil content. Now, let us look at the composition of palm oil. The palm oil will compose of fatty acid and esterified with glycerol. Besides that, palm oil also has a higher content of saturated fat, specifically 16-carbon saturated fatty acid, which is known as palmitic acid. Apart from that, monosaturated oleic acid is also one of the major constituents of the palm oil. Now, let us look at the establishment of palm oil in Malaysia. The first palm oil was established in Malaysia was in 1917, and in 2012, Malaysia became the second largest palm oil producer and producing 18.79 million tons of crude palm oil. We have China, India, European Union, United States and Pakistan as our primary importers of Malaysian palm oil products.
Now let's move on to some of the importance and example of usage of palm oil tree, which is the main product of the palm tree. Okay, first and foremost, one of the main reason why we are choosing palm tree as our main subject is simply because of its meticulous advantages and numerous usage. In general, palm oil is used for preventing vitamin A deficiency, cancer, brain diseases, aging, and also treating various kinds of diseases like malaria, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and also cyanide poisoning. Okay, that's only a very minor example of some of the advantages of the palm oil. Next, let's move on to the examples of the products that can be generated by the palm oil. First is as food, palm oil is used as the cooking oil. Cooking oil, shortening and margarine, non-dairy creamers, and also ice cream. And industrially, palm oil is used for the manufacturing of soap and detergent, lubricant, candles, bactericides, cosmetics, and pharmaceutical and water treatment products, and so many others. And that's also that's only for the example.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is Siti Nur Faiza binti Yusof and my matric number is 182619.
Hi, my name is Zarina binti Arifin. My matric number is 183496. Okay, now we are going to interview our friend, which is Azriana binti Fazli. So start with Faizah.
Okay, so Miss Azri, can you please explain to us what is the suitable and the most efficient way to plant palm oil?
Okay, thank you for the questions. Okay, for the suitable environment or condition to plant palm oil in our country, Malaysia, as we know, our country climate is humid, rain and hot all the year. So the suitable condition is the suitable temperature which is 25 to 28 degrees Celsius, and whereas the environment there is water provided through the rain, and then the geographical area, flat area for easy for the transportation of palm oil and the management of the palm oil. And if we plant the palm oil at the main slope area, then maybe bit difficult for the management and cost high cost to our country. And then of course for the type of the soil itself, we need soil, or what we call in Malay tanah gambut. If you notice in our country, especially in Johor, which is full of this kind of black soil, there are a lot of palm oil plantation in Johor, also pineapple plantation. So based on my knowledge, soil is very important to determine what is the suitable plant we want to plant. For this case, palm oil plantation.
Okay, where is the main production of palm oil?
You mean which country produce their high product? Okay, from what I read, they said in Indonesia, but don't forget our country also the second largest produce palm oil in this world, and then followed by Nigeria, and then followed by Thailand, and Cambodia and others. They export it to the Europe, all over the Europe and all over the world.
Okay, proceed to the next question. If the rubber tree, from rubber tree you can produce various products. So, what product can be produced from palm oil tree?
Okay, from what I know and I have learned before, palm oil, we plant it to get the oil itself, right? So from the oil itself, we can produce cosmetic products such as lipstick, or the medium for maybe any cosmetic products. And then food industry, this is the most important industry in the world. Without food, you cannot live.
So proceed to the next question. If from rubber tree you can produce various products, so what product that can be produced from palm oil tree? Palm oil production.
Okay, thank you for the questions. As we know, of course we plant this palm oil for certain purpose, and like rubber tree, there is many advantages from this palm oil. One of them is cosmetic industry. We use palm oil, which is the fatty acid content in the oil itself, to produce various cosmetic products such as lipstick and so on. And the most important thing, I think, the food industry itself, where we use the oil from the palm kernel to cook everything, and to make other food such as dal, and also I think they produce shampoo, soap from palm oil, right? And the latest that I heard is they try to produce biodiesel fuel from palm oil, which is they develop the research center now. Maybe it's not commercial, right? But in future, who knows, our country can become as the higher producer of palm oil in terms of biodiesel. So we don't need to use unreusable petroleum.
Palm oil production is very natural ecosystem.
So we proceed to last question. Can you explain what the content of palm oil?
Okay, scientists found that palm oil has a balanced fatty acid composition in which the level of saturated fatty acid is almost equal to that of unsaturated fatty acids. When unrefined or when processed into the red palm oil, is naturally rich in keratin, which is good for our health and eyes, which is give its characteristic dark red color. Okay, like tomatoes and carrots. Okay, keratin also contains in tomatoes, carrots, and many other fruits and vegetables. But palm oil naturally contains the nutrient of alpha carotene, beta carotene, and lycopene, which is a bit different from these types of fruits. And for your information, if you want to compare palm oil and olive oil, olive oil cannot use in high temperature because if you use olive oil to cook, it will harmful, or it will eliminate the vitamin nutrient content in food itself, because as we know, vitamin can be denatured at high temperature, right? But palm oil, by using palm oil in cooking, you can prevent the denature of vitamin, so you can save the vitamin in the food, preserve it.
Okay. Thank you for the information, Adi.
Yes, thank you, and also thank you for your time.
Now we are going to conclude our interview. We'll start with Faiza.
Okay, so in conclusion, palm oil industry has a great effect on our economy. So because of its production as an oil and also the product that can be produced from palm oil, such as cosmetic and also food industry. And also the oil from the palm oil tree can replace the cooking oil that we use, and also in the near future could be used as a replacement for the petroleum.
So, in conclusion, the palm oil is first planted in Africa country. Moreover, the largest producer of palm oil is in Indonesia, which produce 20.8 million tons. Moreover, our country is second largest producer of palm oil. Lastly, the palm oil is composed of fatty acid and keratin. Keratin is vitamin from vegetables and all. That's all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you all for listening to our video.